understand I have two possible strikes. If the equation of the swing of my tennis racket is h equals negative d squared plus 6d, and the equation of the tennis ball is h equals 8, there are two intersections. What are my two possible distance in meters should I strike the tennis ball, where h equals the height of the tennis ball in meters, and d equals the horizontal distance of the tennis ball traveling in meters? Here's what I'm thinking. I understand that I'm finding the point of intersection, so I may use substitution. Taking the x-intercepts makes sense because when you substitute the equation and making one side equal to 0, you made a parabola that meets at the x-axis. Thus, the x-intercepts are my two possible distance I can strike the tennis ball, which happens to be 2 or 4 meters away from the net when the y-axis is the tennis net. In this case, with the time remaining, I will choose to strike the ball 4 meters away from the net.
What? How? How did he reflect on my shot? Okay, the tennis ball is heading towards my way. If I am 42 inches away from the net, and the tennis ball from the net is traveling at a parabola of h equals negative 0.06 d squared plus 3. Will the tennis ball approximately reach beyond 42 inches for me to strike after it bounces 3 times? Where h represents the height of the tennis ball in inches and d represents the horizontal distance of the tennis ball traveling in inches. Here is what I'm thinking. We must find the horizontal distance of which a tennis ball bounces once. To do this, we must think about it graphically and find the x-intercepts. Add the x-intercepts with x2 being positive. We need to get x2 positive because you'll get a positive parabola. Now we must multiply 14.2 inches by 3 to present the horizontal distance of the tennis ball bounced 3 times to get 42.6 inches. Therefore, the tennis ball, once it bounces 3 times, will reach approximately 42.6 inches away from the net. So it will reach beyond me to strike the ball. However, should I strike the tennis ball below or above my waist? If my waist is 3 foot tall, when d equals 0, what is h? H equals 3. Convert 3 inches to foot. Thus, I should strike the tennis ball below my waist if the ball reaches 0.25 meters below my waist.
Will it make it?
Over the tennis net?
If the tennis net is 3.5 feet tall,
and the parabola shape of the tennis ball is h equals negative 3d squared plus 30d minus 72.
will the tennis's maximum height reach over the net? H equals the height of the tennis ball in feet, and d equals the horizontal distance of the tennis ball in feet.
Begin by finding the vertex of the parabola and compare it to the height of the tennis net.
Convert it to complete the square or vertex form. Vertex 5, 3.
Therefore, if the maximum height of the tennis ball is 3 feet tall and the height of the tennis net is 3.5 feet tall, the ball won't make it over the net.